Hi guys, this is Tanmay, your Techie-Bro, and in this video I am gonna unbox the new Xiaomi Mi Band HRX Edition and another fitness band from Xiaomi. I bought this fitness band from Flipkart and the direct links of the product will be in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is how the packaging of the Mi Band looks like. On the right you got the Mi logo. On the top of the box you got the HRX logo, which is an Hrithik Roshan company. On the right of the box you also have the Mi logo with some stickers and codes. And on the bottom of the box you again have that HRX logo. At the back of the packaging you get all the specifications about the Mi Band. On the top it is written the Mi Band HRX Edition with some other specifications, and the battery capacity written here is 70 mAh and the input voltage is 5.0 volts. The MRP written on this box is 1799, but you can get this Mi Band for around 1299 on Flipkart or Amazon. The links of this product will be in the description box below. So let's unbox it quickly. So inside the box on the top you get this fitness band which is in black color and looks very premium. Moving inside the box you have another accessories for the band like the strap, the charging cable and user guide. So first up we have this wrist strap for the Xiaomi Mi Band HRX Edition, and it's made up of rubber and looks kinda good. The strap also have the HRX logo on it. So moving further we have this charging cable for the Mi Band itself, and this is a normal charging cable, and on the one side you have got this USB plug which you will have to insert into your charging brick, and on the other side you have to get the Mi Band into the charging cable or the charging port of this cable, and that's it, the Mi Band will start charging. And lastly we have got this user guide from Xiaomi, and it will tell you how to use your Mi Band, how to set up your Mi Band and how to pair this Mi Band with your mobile. So yeah, that's pretty much it in this user guide, but I suggest you to read all these instructions carefully so that you can set up your Mi Band and pair it with your mobile without any hassles. So these are the things you get inside the package if you buy a Xiaomi Mi Band HRX Edition. And so now let's plug the Xiaomi Mi Band into the wrist strap. So this is how you assemble the Xiaomi Mi Band into the wristband. Just push it gently into the wristband. So this is how the band looks like after you insert the Mi Band into your wrist strap, and pressing the button at the bottom of the Mi Band you get the current timing. Pressing it again you get the steps you have taken, the meters you have traveled and the battery percentage of the Mi Band as well. And I must say that the band looks quite good on your wrist and I am loving it. The only thing missing in this Mi Band is the heart rate sensor. You do not get the heart rate sensor in Mi Band HRX Edition, whereas you get the heart rate sensor in Mi Band 2, but for the price point it's acceptable. So this is the official Mi Fit app from Xiaomi, and through this app you can pair this Mi Band HRX Edition with your mobile. You have to tap on the add device in the Mi Fit app and the app will search for the Mi Band itself. The app takes time to pair with your Mi Band, but once it's done, the Mi Band starts vibrating and then you have to press the button on the Mi Band so that it gets paired with your mobile successfully. In the app there are various settings as well as customization options through which you can customize your Mi Band as per your requirement. Mi Band also shows you the notifications from your smartphone and also shows you the incoming call on your mobile, and it also displays the name of the caller as well as the number of the caller on it. So in the conclusion, I must say that Mi Band HRX Edition offers some great feature for minimal price, and if you are planning to buy a new watch or a new fitness band, you can consider Mi Band HRX Edition as it is a great tech accessory for the given price point. So that's it in this quick unboxing and quick overlook on the Xiaomi Mi Band HRX Edition. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your friends and also subscribe to this channel for more awesome tech videos in the future. So this is Tanmay, your Techie-Bro, signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Peace out.